Hi YouTube, my name is Hi, my name is Vaughn and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we will be doing an unboxing video, and this is gonna be my first video. I am excited to show you and have a review of Green. This is Green from Pokemon. I usually call him Blue because that is what his name on the anime, but I'm gonna call him Green today because this is what's on the box, and you can check. This is gonna be front of the box, and it's gonna be the back. It shows the different face swaps for Green, and we also have N from Pokemon Black and White, and this is my most favorite character of Pokemon. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is gonna be the box for N, and if you can see, the box is not in the mint condition. There's a crease in here, but that's totally fine. This is not a Funko Pop. And let's open it up. So let's try to assemble Reshiram. So this is gonna be Reshiram. As you can see, I had a little bit of trouble in putting his head, and you can also move the wings and also the feet and the head as well. So let's move on to N. So this is N, and I love all the details, including his necklace and the cube, and also his bracelets. And let's try to change his face. And I'm gonna show you some pictures that I'll be taking for N. And let's proceed with the next box. I am really excited to open up Green. So here's the box of Green, and this one is in mint condition, and let's open it up. this is gonna be green, and this is the entire content of the box, and there's a bubble wrap. So green comes with 3 face swaps. And I'm gonna show you pictures with Anne as well, and maybe they're gonna have a Pokemon battle. Okay, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more, then you can just comment if which Nendoroid we will be unboxing next. I wanted to choose between Lana and also Lily from Pokemon Sun and Moon. And stay tuned.